Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 12, chapter 11, genetics and evolution. Today's topic is genetics. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about deviation of Mendel's first law, deviation of Mendel's first law. At first, incomplete dominance. What is incomplete dominance? We have to know. Incomplete dominance is when a dominant allele does not completely mask the effect of a recessive allele and the organism's resulting physical appearance show a blending of both alleles. Dominant allele is the powerful allele which will be expressed. Here, dominant allele and recessive allele will be mixed and give the separate characteristics. Genetic explanation. Here we may take Mirabilis jalapa, which is called in Bengali Sondha Malati. Parental phenotype: a red flower crossed with white flower, Mirabilis jalapa. Genotype: think capital R is responsible for red. That's why genotype will be capital R, and small r is responsible to be white flower. That's why genotype will be small r. Gamete will be capital R and small r. Genotype of F1 generation. Phenotype of F1 generation, all will be pink flower. Follow here. We take here red flower Mirabilis jalapa and white flower Mirabilis jalapa, but in first generation we will get all pink. Then F1 crossing between F1, phenotype all pink. Genotype will be capital R and capital R. Gamete capital R separate here, capital R. Result of F2 generation on a checkerboard. When capital R gamete mixed with capital R, then it will be red. Capital R mixed with small r, it will be pink. Capital R mixed with small r, it will be pink, and small r, then it will be white. Phenotype of F2 generation: red flower 1, pink flower 2, white flower 1. That means we may say in Bengali, এখানে লাল ফুলের জন্য ক্যাপিটাল আর, সাদা ফুলের জন্য স্মল আর জিন দেখানো হয়েছে। ক্যাপিটাল আর এর সম্পূর্ণ প্রকটতা থাকলে, দ্যাট মিন্স ক্যাপিটাল আর যেহেতু ডমিনেন্ট এখানে, তাহলে F1 জেনারেশনের সবগুলো ফুল লাল বর্ণ ধারণ করত এবং F2 জেনারেশনে ফিনোটাইপিক অনুপাত হতো 3:1, কিন্তু আর এর সম্পূর্ণ প্রকটতার কারণেই, ক্যাপিটাল আর এর অসম্পূর্ণ প্রকটতার কারণেই, দ্যাট মিন্স ইনকমপ্লিট ডমিনেন্সের ফলেই মূলত F1 জেনারেশনের বর্ণ হোয়াইট অথবা ব্ল্যাক, হোয়াইট অথবা রেড না হয়ে পিঙ্ক কালার ধারণ করেছে। পরবর্তীতে আমরা লক্ষ্য করলে দেখি F2 বংশধরে, দ্যাট মিন্স F2 জেনারেশনে এর রেশিও গিয়ে দাঁড়ায় 1:2:1, যেখানে রেড 1, পিঙ্ক 2 এবং হোয়াইট 1, যেটা আমাদের প্রথম সূত্রের ব্যতিক্রম। দ্যাটস হোয়াই ইট ইজ কল্ড দ্য ডেভিয়েশন অফ মেন্ডেলস ফার্স্ট ল। Another deviation of Mendel's first law, which is called codominance. What is codominance? Codominance is a phenomenon in which two alleles are expressed to an equal degree within an organism. That means dominant and recessive, they are same powerful to express their characteristics. As a result, traits associated with each allele are displayed simultaneously. A genetic explanation of deviation of Mendel's first law. Parental phenotype: black cock crossed with white hen. That means a black color cock crossed with white color hen. Genotype: capital B, small b, small b. That means capital B responsible to be black and small b responsible to be white. Gamete: capital B, small b, small b. Genotype of F1 generation: phenotype of F1 generation, all are black with white sect. F1 crossing between F1, phenotype sect cocked, that means black and white sect cock crossed with black and white sect hen. Genotype: capital B, small b, small b. Gamete: capital B, small b, small b. Result of F2 generation on a checkerboard: gamete capital B, small b, and small b. First one will be capital B, that means black. Second one will be capital B, small b, capital B, small b sect, that means white black sect. Capital B, small b, black white sect, small b, white color. Phenotype of F2 generation: black 1, sect 2, white 1. If we follow the parent of this generation was a black colored cock and white color hen. In second generation, we will get black one, white one, sect 2. On the basis of first law of Mendel, we should get black 3 and white 1. But here we get sect another 2, that means black dominant, white recessive, but they expressed equally. That's why sect 2. Phenotypic ratio 1:2:1. Lucien Coeno at first discovered lethargine in 1905. Lethargine. What is lethargine or lethal allele? Lethal alleles are alleles that causes the death of the organism that carries them. Actually, lethargine or lethal allele is the gene or allele which, if present in new organism in homozygous condition, it will be die. Genetic explanation. If we take yellow color rat crossed with yellow color rat, here yellow is not homozygous, yellow is hybrid color here. Genotype will be capital Y small y, capital Y small y, and gamete capital Y small y separately, capital Y small y separately. Result on a checkerboard. Gametes capital Y small y, which came from male rat, and capital Y small y, which came from female rat. When capital Y mixed with capital Y, this member will be die, because you know when lethargine is present in homozygous condition, the member will die. Capital Y small y yellow, capital Y small y yellow, small y agouti. Agouti means blackish brown. Phenotype of F2 generation: yellow 2, agouti 1, and the phenotypic ratio will be 2:1. Maintain social distance, adhere to hygiene rules. Thank you.